The third and final part of our trip through Berdoo Canyon has us perched up top on an epic campsite. We were very lucky to find this site in the middle of the night. But over the years, we've been making a habit of finding some fantastic spots. Not only did it have a view, but it came with a shooting range out back. This video is going to have a lot of great shots of firearms and target practice, so if it's your jam, then stick with us. We definitely came prepared for the range, or the zombie apocalypse. Either way, we were good to go. Our menagerie of equipment consisted of a 1911, Beretta, Glock, shotgun, bolt actions, and a couple California ARs. A special thanks again goes out to Nick for his drone skills to get all these unique shots of our shots. See what I did there? Well, don't worry, there was plenty of time for the drone to recharge and, of course, for Nick to get into the action as well. We had a lot of unique targets, but I'm not going to lie that I was a little disappointed with Nick bringing out an ancient relic like a payphone. In the end, it met its end, just like Barbie and everything else we put out on that range. See, I told ya, video proof that Nick got to have fun making a mess of the targets.
Take it slow and we'll tell you where you missed. Just high of the middle one.
Dude, it is
just
picking
low
up.
of it. High again.
Dude, it's totally picking up.
Low. There
Yeah!
it is.
Woo! After the hours spent on the range, we still had plenty of time to mess around with a kite and RC crawlers. That's what's great about the camping part of overlanding. You can bring anything out with you to enjoy. Just leave the distractions of modern life behind, but be sure to bring along some great friends as well. The camaraderie and the memories are just as important as the rigs and trails, so get out there on that dirt. We hope you enjoyed the 3-part Joshua Tree series, and if you did well, then be sure to give us a like and subscribe to future adventures. Take care, everybody.